Hello all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So our beloved marketplace is gone and they have replaced with the FAB. So today we will see how we can integrate this with our project right now. So let's see. So first, just go to the library and search for the FAB. You should see or you can purchase it, just search for FAB. I have already installed it for the 5.4 and I haven't for 5.3. I can also go for it, but I've already installed it. So let's launch Unreal 5.4, because right now if you will download the assets from the website itself, it will show you the download, and it's the extra headache because you have to integrate that. So we will see how we can integrate directly, like materials will be there and you don't have to plug and play. For testing, I will choose a template. Let's go with this one. Testing FAB. I'll go with the blueprint without a starter content. Okay, it is up. You can see in here in Windows, as soon as you will install that window, that plugin FAB, it will show it here. Click on the FAB. So I'm opening this for the first time. If you Okay, this is actually nice. This thing did previously, like my friend, I have seen this. This was not logged in, so you can just click here. It will show you the login page. And all the things which you have purchased you can see here, and you can search us also. So in the my library, this is all the content which I have purchased already. And let's imagine I do want to have something maybe with the military weapon. Let me check if it allows me, because the last update which I got from the military weapon, I think they haven't updated their assets, so we might have to choose something else. Okay, we might have to choose something else. Maybe we can actually search something new. Uh, let's go. So these are the filters which they have given. I will go for free right now. Mm, so let's try something in 3D. Maybe this will work. Okay, add to the project. You can see below it's showing the status. As soon as it's done, it should be available in the project directly, or I have to add. This is also I'm testing for the first time though. See, it is saying like they have added it. We can, so it's like the ode itself. So this is how you can actually integrate the FAB now. So this was the small tutorial, and just do like and do subscribe. If you have any questions related to Unreal Engine, do let me know and I will cover it for you.